Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we interact with technology, from chatbots to powerful AI models. Running advanced machine learning system has never been easier. But here's the challenge. Most AI models are obviously huge, and they require complex setups and need serious computing power to run smoothly. That's where Ollama comes in. Ollama is a lightweight and powerful tool that lets you run large AI models locally on your machine or your PC without the hassle of setting up Python environments, dependencies, or cloud-based APIs. Whether you are a developer, researcher, or just an AI enthusiast, Ollama makes it super easy to load, run, and interact with AI models directly from your device. In this guide, I'll be covering why it's a game changer, how you can run large models inside it, how you can interact with these models, and I'll be providing the pro tips to avoid common issues and get the best results. By the end of this video, you'll be running AI models like a pro. So let's get started. So what exactly is Ollama? Ollama is an AI model runner designed to simplify the process of using large AI models. Instead of dealing with manual installation like Python scripts and GPU configurations, Ollama lets you run models with just few simple commands. And why is this important? Running AI models usually requires complex installations, like setting up dependencies and managing Python versions. Also, when we run AI models, we are required to use cloud-based APIs, which can be slow and also expensive. Another thing is that you need a powerful hardware. AI models are huge, and running them locally can be tricky and also risky. And Ollama solves all of these problems by providing pre-configured AI models, so we don't need to install dependencies manually. We can execute them locally since we don't need to send data to the cloud, and we can perform a simple command line interface which makes things super easier for us. But before we get into details, here's something we need to know. AI models are large, so check your hardware. Most AI models are obviously very large in size, often several gigabytes in size. So before running Ollama, make sure that your device has enough RAM, at least 8 gigabyte, but 16 gigabyte is the most ideal. And you have enough disk space where large models requires larger storage. Your CPU or GPU can handle these models. While Ollama is optimized, some models still demands higher ends of CPU and also GPU. Now that we understand what Ollama is and why it's useful, let's jump into how to actually run an AI model using Ollama. Now that we know what Ollama is, let's talk about how easy it is to set up or install a model inside the Ollama. But first of all, I want to teach you how to open Ollama. If you have already installed the Ollama, I'll be showing you how you can open it. First, click the Start button and then type in CMD. Now enter full screen, and here you just need to type in Ollama and hit the Enter button. As you can see, there are several commands available for use, but we can use it just like this. And then just click the Enter button. And as you can see, there is a existing model inside my device. And how you can run it is head again into your browser and then select a model that you want to run. For me, I have installed TinyLlama, which is this. You can run this inside your device by copying it and then pasting it into your command prompt. Once you hit the Enter button, it will be installing the TinyLlama. But for me, I have already finished installing it. That's why it redirected me into the chat process. So let's test it out. And as you can see, it has responded briefly. So let's close this. I'll be providing a simple tip on how you can accelerate your GPU if you are running or trying to run larger models. You just need to type in Ollama, run GPU, and just hit the enter button. But for me, I'm not gonna do that since I'm just only using a lightweight model. Now that we've covered how to run or install an AI model inside Ollama, let's talk about how we can automate AI tasks with Python. Well, of course, inside Ollama. First thing that you have to do is to again run the AI model first, and we will be typing in a simple script inside the command prompt. Now after typing that in, just click the enter button and this script will send a command to TinyLlama and prints the response, which is perfect for batch processing text. So let's hit the enter button. And as you can see, it has generated 3 lines of sentences, just how we want it to be. Now that we know how to use the AI model, and we also know how to automate its tasks, he will now be covering how we can try other AI models in Ollama. First thing that I want you to do is to click the Control B, and then let's type in Ollama run. Here you can try running Mistral, Llama 2, which is the Meta AI. And also, you can also run the Code Llama, which is mainly for programming. For any developers out there who's watching, I recommend Code Llama since this will really help you if you are coding and you want some local help. So just replace the Tiny Llama with this model names and you are good to go. Now that we are reaching the end of this video, we have covered a lot about Ollama, how it works, how to interact with it, and the powerful things you can do with it. Whether you are using it for AI chat, coding assistance, content generation, or even as a foundation for automation, you now have the tools and knowledge to truly make the most out of it. We also explored how to run AI models like TinyLlama, how to chat with them, and how to customize for interactions. While unlike traditional AI chatbots that rely on internet-based APIs, Ollama allows us to engage with AI completely offline, making it perfect for anyone like developers, researchers, and enthusiasts who want to rely on AI access anytime and anywhere. We also dive into how to enhance your experience by tweaking the settings, whether it's using custom prompts or script to fine-tune the responses. We also leverage the use of GPU acceleration for faster replies. And before we wrap things up, let's go over some final tips that I can provide to you. First is you can experiment with different models. If one model isn't working well for a task, try another one. You can go back to the Ollama library and find the best model that is suited for your needs. Another thing is that you can use detailed prompts. You can also use the scripts. The more specific your instructions is, the better the AI's response. Next is you can optimize the performance. If responses feel slow, just do the command that we did earlier for GPU acceleration. And the last thing is you just need to stay updated. AI is constantly evolving, so keep an eye out for new models and updates that could improve your experience and your workflow even better. So as we close out this video, we'll leave you with one final question. What will you create with Ollama? Will you use it to write incredible stories, build smart applications, or simply have meaningful AI-powered conversations? The choice is yours and the possibilities are endless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below, sharing how you plan to use Ollama. Again, thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.